Welcome to the icehotel in Jukkasjärvi. I've already been to the ice bar in Stockholm, but yeah, this is the real deal, the original. Much excitement. Bloody hell. Haven't they ever seen ice before? Let's go inside and check it out. I'm guessing this is the actual ice hotel with ice pillars and ice walls and ice baby. As I explore the ice hotel a little bit, I'm gonna tell you the history behind it as well. So the ice hotel is rebuilt every year with ice from the Torne River, Torne älv. It all started back in 1989 when a Japanese artist came here to do some, ice sculpting. Then in 1990 a French artist came here and he built a big bloody igloo. But then there were a couple of tourists who couldn't find a room for the night. So they asked if they could stay at the igloo. Sure, why not? Take a couple of sleeping bags and cram yourselves in there. And that was actually the start of the ice hotel. Since then it's just been growing and growing. Oh, bloody hell. I'm gonna focus on what's behind me instead. Look at this. So I'm guessing this is one of the rooms you can sleep in. Oh, look at that. Is it an eagle? Eagle, I think, yeah. Or a raven, maybe. That's amazing. Oh, shit. I think I found Cthulhu. No, it's a snake. They have a dragony theme this year, it seems. No, I see. Old Norse runes. So it's the Midgard serpent, I think. Jukkasjärvi, bloody hell, I can't remember its name. I'm just gonna touch one of its fangs. Boop, boop. Yeah, it's ice. I'm not sure what I expected. I'm gonna back into one more room here. It's called Oh Rapunzel, and yeah, it seems a bit hairy, doesn't it? Well, this is Rapunzel's place and she's a dog. No, I don't mean any insults. She is a dog, look. This room is called Oris Internal. I have no idea what that's about, but there's a giant ear here. Anyway, back to more history. After they opened, they've expanded the ice bar concept. The first ice bar was here in the Jukkasjärvi up far north in Sweden, but they have opened ice bars in many locations. So London, Copenhagen, Tokyo. What else? I'm not sure. I'm just gonna name a couple of cities. So let's have a look. Why, hello there, good sir. Ice bear or a shoot in the rock. They had better names at the ice bar in Stockholm, I have to say. Well, I'm not just here to gawk at ice sculptures and hang out at the ice bar. I'm also gonna try to do some ice sculpting myself. How hard can that possibly be? So yeah, I think I did a horrible job at this. It looks crap, but at least it conveys a message, doesn't it? I'm proud of myself. People want to have their pictures taken with my artwork. And I'm sure they noticed that it's a mushroom, of course. There's nothing else. Oh, more people admiring my artwork. This is bloody amazing. I'm an artist, apparently. I may not know much about art, but I know what people like. Yeah, I think it was a pretty ballsy move. Okay, let's have a quick look at what other people did. That's not... No. I was fooled. I thought they had some color or something. I can barely see anything. It's so light and transparent, because it's ice. But still, I think the best one is over there. Well, that's about it from the ice hotel and the ice sculpting here. I hope you had a good time. I sure had, at least. I hope people appreciate my art. Like and subscribe, but most importantly, have a great day.